You're watching CKWS News at Noon on Global Kingston.
Good to see you on this Wednesday afternoon. Yesterday, the day before, single-digit highs, rain. Not so much today. Enjoy some sunny periods as we climb to 12, perhaps even 13 degrees today. And windy conditions still persist, though, gusts around 40 kilometers per hour. And we started the day off with a mostly cloudy sky. Those clouds start to disperse. We do see some sunshine throughout the day, even into tomorrow, some sunny periods. Friday, some sunshine as well, for the most part. And then Saturday, we are dealing with a chance of rain. I'll get to that in a moment, but Belleville, good afternoon to you. How about 14 degrees today? You do see some sunny periods. 12 degrees tomorrow, continued sunshine, and a mix of sun and clouds, more clouds than sun to end the week though, but 13 degrees. Even overnight lows above zero. Same pattern for Brockville here, 12 degrees today. You're also dealing with some windy conditions with gusts around 40 kilometers per hour, 11 degrees on Thursday. Friday, 13 degrees and sunny periods also for the next several days. Smiths Falls, 13 degrees today, and a mix of sun and clouds. Windy conditions for you, 11 on Thursday, and then 12, a mix of sun and clouds again, getting to 12 degrees, yeah, but overnight lows for you, Smiths Falls, barely above zero. Kingston will get to 13 degrees today. Enjoy some sunny periods. We also are dealing with some windy conditions. 11 tomorrow, 13 on Friday. In fact, Wednesday all the way into Friday, enjoy a mix of sun and clouds. Now, Saturday, we could see up to 10 millimeters of rain, back to a single-digit high of just 9 degrees, and then back up to a little above average on Sunday. We climb to 12. At this point, a 30% chance of rain for Halloween.
Looks like that chance of showers is going to wait a couple days, and then wet weather for maybe 2.5 days. Yeah, another good soaking is on the way as we see lows from the west pushing our way, and we'll take a look at that in just a minute. 13 for a high in Kingston today. That's above normal. I know some were complaining, getting caught in that northerly breeze, and it felt a bit cool today, that 13. Probably feeling at its highest point as those northerly winds were pushing. Probably felt more like an 8. Yeah, it was a little chilly at times. We probably find temperatures either remain seasonal or slightly above that for the next couple of days. We do have more wet weather coming your way, and we'll take a look at the systems affecting us in just a second. North-northeast winds at 20 kilometers per hour at the top of the hour, and with gusts up to 31. So we're still getting that northerly flow. So this is why we're getting that cool, crisp, dry air mass pushing in. Yeah, that wind is affecting, giving us a slight wind chill. 62 millimeters of rain as a result of the last rainfall. We didn't really get anything today, but I wanted to give you those final numbers. We didn't have the grand total yesterday. The rain didn't stop until last evening. And we are looking at a break from it. We're drying out now, and we may get a couple days to dry out as high pressure out of the north, right across the lower Great Lakes, another area of high pressure settles in. But it's kind of tracking east and out of the way. We're losing one of those centers very quickly as these lows move up. So a double low coming in with some wet weather, probably Friday night. Just look at this pinwheel, will you? I mean, there's so much going on here. You've got the cold front, of course, the warm front. Not really an issue here, but we've got trough after trough after trough. Here's a really good example of how two lows, when they phase, meaning they come in close proximity but don't really merge, how they can really get a great reach as far as active weather goes. And so it's very widespread active weather as a result of this. As it moves out and tracks up along the eastern seaboard, it may do like the last two lows did, one absorbing the other, turning into a really big, strong system, and that is, you know, what they saw in Nova Scotia over the last 24 hours, that nor'easter. So here we are now, saying goodbye to a little bit of clouds out of the way. We've got some sunshine for you over for tomorrow and over Friday as well. But I wanted to stop the map here just to show you something really interesting, where we're on the surface getting this sort of blowback from that nor'easter and a flow out of the east, northeast at times, but it is easterly. And while that's happening on the surface, you have that pending low coming this way. You may have seen the little bit of green over Lake Ontario. That precipitation that we saw there was caused by that. Whenever you get those sort of contradictory flows, you get sort of wind shear, and that can produce precipitation, especially over bodies of water. But the real water gets here Friday night, and here it is. And this is going to give you wet weather Friday night and Saturday, and it might even spill into your Sunday too for some of us. 11 for a high tomorrow. Belleville, mainly sunny. Northeast winds picking back up again. They diminished tonight, but then back up to a 30-kilometer-per-hour push. Friday, 13, mix of sun and cloud. Increasing cloud in the evening, leading to rain overnight, and the rain continuing Saturday, only a high of 9. So temperatures do come down once that double low settles in. Brockville, mainly sunny tomorrow with a high of 11. Northeast winds at 20 kilometers per hour. Friday, mix of sun and cloud, a high 13 with rain overnight, and then Saturday, more rain, a high 9. Smiths Falls, you've got a couple nice days too with seasonal temperatures, but yeah, it gets a little cooler Saturday. As you get your rain, it should start before morning Saturday. Kingston, your 5-day forecast, a high of 10 and mainly sunny tomorrow. Northeast winds at about 30 kilometers per hour through the day. Friday, it's a mix of sun and cloud, a high 13. Increasing cloud in the evening, leading to showers overnight. Periods of rain Saturday with a high of only 8. Back to double digits Sunday, though, with a high of 12. And still a good 60% chance for showers or periods of rain. Monday, we're out from under the rain again, a mix of sun and cloud and a seasonal high of 11. Now your weather wallpaper.
This weather wallpaper is brought to you by Pam's Flower Garden. Flowers and tropical plants by Pam's since 1962 with same-day delivery.
Colleen Pattinson of Amersfoort sends this picture in. Lovely fall colors on a nice little drive up Duck Lake Road near Desert Lake. Lovely. And you can see now they're starting to brown a bit. They're still pretty, they're still bright, but this may be the last few days where, you know, they're going to start to brown in a real hurry, especially with these temperatures getting a little cooler overnight. And you're also looking at probably a lot of them falling off the leaves in a real hurry. We've got a lot of wind, and those winds are going to get a little bit stronger soon.
So, if you want to check out the fall colors, better do it soon, is what you're saying.
Over the next couple of days, be a good idea.
Okay, otherwise you're going to end up just raking the fall colors.
Or
up.
going out and seeing them on the weekend when you're getting rained on. So, you know,
well, yeah.
Now's the time. It's sunshine.
Okay. Well, let's see if we get some more dry days into next week in the long-range forecast. Thank you, Bill.
You're watching CKWS News at 11 on Global Kingston.
High pressure working hard to clear things up for us today. Very nice day. A little on the windy side, but we do have, we do have fall doing its best to push its way in. It's a little late arriving as we've seen some gorgeous temperatures and lots of sunshine. But now the rain, that's been a factor for the last few weeks on and off. We had some pretty heavy rainfalls, and I think we're going to see that again as two lows move up along the East Coast. We say goodbye to the nor'easter now, which brought us, well, we saw rain from a low that the nor'easter absorbed, but now it's sort of collaborated with that low, the nor'easter, and it brought some wind and rain to Nova Scotia, but now it's heading out to the Atlantic. It's this double low that we're keeping our eyes on, and look at this pinwheel. It doesn't have a cold front, but it's got a few troughs associated with it too, and it just keeps generating all kinds of active weather, very widespread. This is going to move through probably, well, at least Saturday and Sunday with some wet conditions. We're hoping maybe Monday it might let up. It depends if it stalls or not. Belleville, it's a high of 11 and mainly sunny. Northeast winds about 30 tomorrow. 13's your high Friday with a mix of sun and cloud, but rain developing overnight and continuing Saturday, only a high of 9. Brockville looking at a decent day tomorrow with a seasonal high of 11. 13's your high Friday with a mix of sun and cloud, but that rain moves in overnight for you too Friday night and continues on Saturday. And Smiths Falls, a high of 11 tomorrow, mainly sunny skies. 12 for a high Friday. Showers overnight and a good chance of showers again Saturday, only a high of 8. Kingston, your long-range forecast, a high of 11 and mainly sunny tomorrow. Northeast winds gusting to 30. Friday, a mix of sun and cloud, a high 13. Rain moving in overnight Friday. Rain Saturday. Halloween, there's rain in the morning, but by the time the kids go door to door, it should end. Clearing up a bit on Monday with a high of 11. Highs of 9 Tuesday and Wednesday as the chance of showers returns.